Spice and Lava shell down New Jersey last night.
You can't itch. You can't stutter. You can't think about it. You can't buck shuffle. Me ask you one question, you answer same time. Are you ready? This is Star. What is your name?
Star.
What your man name?
Rahim.
What your man mother name?
Also, Vybz Kartel says Shaniel Muir is the best singer since Nadine Sutherland.
You're gonna play the game, you gotta learn to play it right. You gotta know when to hold on, know when to fold on, know when to walk away.
Stick around for the breakdown. Full details on these stories coming right up.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everybody's doing good out there. All of the people overseas, more specifically in America. I know today on a Labor Day. We don't know what to do on Labor Day still, but big up on yourself and happy Labor Day. Now, before me tell you how Spice and Lava deal with New Jersey wicked last night, shell. Me should tell you that this video is in full screen, so you can hit the full screen on your phone and it will full up your phone screen. Because I don't want to miss what Spice go on with. So, I'm going to show you that. But before we get into that, we want to talk about Shaniel Muir and Vybz Kartel, right? So, you know Vybz Kartel and Shaniel Muir just drop a song. If you never know, you know now. The song is called Loyal and it's out now on Vybz Kartel Vivo and it's also on every streaming platform, right? So, we know say Vybz Kartel rate Shaniel Muir and me go show you say Shaniel Muir rate Vybz Kartel also. So watch your little Vybz Kartel freestyle tribute. You know, she just play around on the live last night and did had to sing some song and thing. And she sing that Vybz Kartel song, yeah. So hear this and then me I go tell you now what Vybz Kartel say about Shaniel Muir.
Excuse me, Mr. Weezy, for Shazzy and for Sheezy. The more them want to think, you say the kids got me up a squeezy. Ask them all, them like them beefy. Well done, no over easy. The feds them want to seize me, but the girls are people easy. Flow like sewage water, always calm, always shorter. Is your last kid, always daughter, while me fuck them to the starter. Send them more amazing than the spider Peter Parker. And believe them with an impression like the paper meat for marker. Yeah, it's a something number one before me become a gun. A celebrity porn, a reality drama. Me cookie matana, don't know Pagkapana. When me play with Rihanna, pussy like a piano. Zebra, I want pop it off for all. Yeah.
She made me have to go look up that song for a morning. You see me as a 6 foot, 7 foot remix, Vybz Kartel. So big up Shaniel Muir. Remember, I know people still come and go show no how Spice deal with New Jersey last night. Wicked. But before we do that again, let's talk about what Vybz Kartel said about Shaniel Muir and what she replies say. And then we are going to get straight into the Spice part of the video. Alright? So Vybz Kartel posts the song and he had a caption, and the caption said, "The last time I see a woman with this caliber singing voice bout ya was from Nadine Sutherland. Years later we get Itana with the next angel voice. Right now the stakes raise again at Shaniel Muir, #loyal featuring me. Vybz Kartel Vivo and all digital platforms at Shotboss Music at Johnny Wonder 21st. And Shaniel Muir respond to it and she said, "Humbled is an understatement. Thank you, King. These words are more than encouraging, and thank you for being a part of #loyal, #loyalty over royalty at Shotboss Music, it boss." Right? So she very humbled, as she said. And, you know what I mean, she rate Vybz Kartel. Most artists rate Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? So from Vybz Kartel, give them a little highlight or say something about them, even though the two of them depend on a song in this case. But, you know what I mean, it must have to think highly of her for even do the song in the first place. So, big up Vybz Kartel and big up Shaniel Muir. Now, people, let's move on to the Spice part of the video. Let's get to the shelling. So last night, Spice was in New Jersey. She performed in New Jersey last night, right? And people come out in them numbers. You see me? And Lava, they want to know Lava based on New York. So New Jersey and Philly and them place there just a drive away. You see me? So Lava was there, Spice was there. You know, Spice had born upstage, that's why she called herself the queen of stage. So me I go show you what go on, see? So let's get into the video. Take a look at this.
When we put the mic in your mouth, you can't stutter, you can't buck shuffle. Confidence is key. You have to own the man and know about the man. And the man have to know you. You not ready? What is your name?
Toya.
What your man name?
Frederick.
What your man granny name?
Elizabeth.
What your man mother name?
Avon.
One favorite color?
Pink.
What?
Whoa! Yeah! The answer!
Hold on!
The
Hold
answer!
on! One favorite color?
Pink.
One favorite dish?
Curry chicken.
What the woman before you name?
Rosa. Something.
Jaguar, Spice, Jaguar.
Oh, Shagon.
Shagon.
We are going to start over because guess what? You see when them something happen, y'all know if you lie quick. So I'm going to ask you again if you answer the question a different way. We know a lie you tell. What's your name?
Toya.
What your man name?
Oh, you said his name or his mother?
What your man mother name?
Avon.
Yeah.
What the granny name?
Elizabeth.
Yeah.
One favorite color?
Jaguar Spice.
One favorite dish?
Curry chicken.
One favorite position?
Back shot.
Yeah, people, so no understand and see what Spice are deal with, right? She asks the girl if she have a man, and she say yes, and Spice start question her now, and I make sure say she know about the man, and make sure say the man know her also. But the big forward me are telling about it still not forward yet. It both for forward right now, so we're gonna get back into the video and check out that part. That part are real entertaining, me I tell you. Here goes.
Spice, let me start a look for it. Hold it. Where your phone there? Where your phone there? Take your phone. Take your phone. Hold on. Take your phone. Take your phone. Take your phone. Hold on. Take your phone. Hold on. End this. Hold on. Somebody drive a BMW Georgia plate. Move it now. CR8 6519. Move it now. Georgia plate BMW. Ready. Where your phone there? Take out your phone. Well on.
Call the man. Have to call the man.
Call the man on speaker. Tap on eyes. Hold on. Put it on speaker. No video. No video. A Jamaican there?
No, I'm a Jamaican man. The video calling. Video call. What your man name?
Frederick.
But all Ray come up in the phone. Shh.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, we can hear you. Can you hear me? Hello?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah, hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're calling from this phone. This is a sister phone?
What?
Is this your sister phone? Hello?
No.
Hello? We lost this phone. I lost this phone and I just found it, so I called the last dial. I'm trying to find out whose phone is it. Is this the phone, your sister phone?
You found this phone?
No, I found this phone. Somebody lost this phone. I'm calling the last call.
This is my wife's phone.
Nah, lie, chat and laugh. Have a buzz. Yeah, people, this is my wife phone. And that the man say, hear that. So, I biggest forward that she get. I'm glad to see I saw it go. You see me? Now, people, if you want to see the full video, it's on my IGTV, right? It's on my Instagram at Dancehall IG, right? So I'm going to put the link in the comment. It's about 8 minutes long, and you can see the other contestant where you know what I mean, go before she and thing. Me did have to cut that part there for make the video fit and thing. You see me? But that brings us to the end of today's video, people. So if it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the family. And for all my long-time subscribers, thank you for watching and thank you for making the thing work and keep going. You see what I say? So big up on yourself on that. So everybody, thank you for watching and have a wonderful day and night, whatever time it is, wherever you are. All right, bless up yourself. I'm out.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.